Okay, so the sound is?
At.
Very good.
I had
Careful, careful.
Hit the ball with a bat.
Good. Number 2.
I
I?
had
What are the sounds, guys?
have
Yes, the word is have. The word is have, but now we need to do the sounds because you sound unsure.
ever
And the word is?
have
Good.
a
I.
I
What sound is the letter C making in this word?
z
It's not. It doesn't have the 2 lines. I've put this here in the coding to give you a clue of what the letter C must sound like in this word.
z
No, but it's not a Z if it doesn't have 2 lines. What sound is it? What sound does the letter S make? What sound does the letter S make? No, C makes the K sound. But what's the second sound that the letter C can make?
C
That's the name of the letter. But what is the... Okay, wait, Lele, wait. I want Umpile to answer. So remember, the letter C can sound like K for cat, but it can also sound like S, like S.
S
So in this word, it sounds like S. Okay, so can I have Umpile answering this one? So if the letter C is making the S for slithery snake sound in this word, the sounds for this word are N, I, S.
nice
So let's do the sounds.
I
And the word is?
nice at head
Right. Number 3.
they can't sit
Is it it? What sound are we
Set.
working? Good, good, Lele.
set
So let's make the sound for that. The sounds.
at set on the mat.
Good. We're running out of time.
The man is
Good.
so fast.
There's no S. It's F. Let me make the sounds. F. At.
Fast.